Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer recurring meetings into ClickUp via automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to transfer your recurring meetings. Open your calendar or the tool where your recurring meetings are currently scheduled. Identify the recurring meetings you wish to transfer. Take note of the details, including the meeting title, frequency, date, and time. Now, switch to ClickUp and open the Automation settings. Click on the Automations tab in the left sidebar. Select the option to create a new automation. Choose a trigger for your automation that aligns with your recurring meetings. For example, you might select scheduled for daily, weekly, or monthly frequency. Next, configure the details for the trigger. Specify the conditions under which the trigger should activate. For instance, if you're setting a weekly meeting, choose the day and time. After setting the trigger, look for the Action section in the Automation setup. You'll need to select Create Task or Create Events based on your preference. Fill in the task or event details using the information from your recurring meetings. Make sure to include the title, due date, and any relevant descriptions. If your meetings require specific participants, add them to the task or event. You can also customize additional settings, such as priority or tags. Once all details are filled in, click on Save to finalize the automation. Test the automation to ensure it properly creates tasks for your recurring meetings. Check your ClickUp tasks list or calendar for the new entries. If the automation works as expected, you're all set. If not, revisit the automation settings to troubleshoot any issues. Once confirmed, enjoy the streamlined process of managing your recurring meetings in ClickUp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.